You need a facelift. We need to get you some work done. Huh? Why are you standing on me? All right, buddy, watch out. Get off of me. Oh, it's a good thing you're not heavy.
I started the day running the electrical line for my HVAC unit. And just like everything else around here, soon you'll see things change pretty quick.
What are you doing, Shorty? What are you doing, Shorty? You coming to see me? Huh? You coming to help me? You need a facelift. You need a facelift, don't you? We need to get you some work done. Huh? You need a facelift? Huh? Why are you standing on me? Oh, you crazy. Dave and I are back down here at this barn that fell down. Larry's giving us a pick of what we want. We're gonna get all that wood, like I said a while back. But right now we're gonna get these poles, these pine poles, take them up there and pressure wash them so they'll get to looking nice. And then eventually we'll come back down and get all this old barn wood.
Somehow me and Dave got wrangled into pressure washing Larry's garage. I don't even know how that happened.
Let me show you what Larry's doing. Alright. I don't know how we're going to do this one.
Don't bring the lid. Are you starting that lip?
Okay.
So we gotta go up
We got to go out.
and out.
You know, I'd have gotten in big trouble for not cutting that better, just so you know. Hang on, buddy. All right, we're in.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
As far as I can go.
We're way off.
Way off?
Don't hang up, it's Jesus.
What song is that?
Well, don't hang up, it's Jesus on the line. I got a miracle, it's coming to blow your mind. He's starting straight from
You say they're bullying that white dog? Hey, Don't worry, Dave, be happy.
Dave and I decided to put some insulation in. That's so boring and itchy. Who even wants to watch it? And all of a sudden, Larry appears out of nowhere and starts doing stuff. Who knew? Larry had some old farm implements of his grandfather's and his dad's back there in that old barn that fell down. So he wanted me to go back there and help him get that stuff out of there. This stuff has to be 150 plus years old.
McCormick right there.
Is that right?
That was the #1 mowing machine. They had the John Deere and the #6 and all that. Those #6 were geared too slow.
Oh, was it?
You had to have a pair of horses that walked fast to get it to run fast enough to cut.
Oh.
It sure is funny how life works, isn't it? As we were standing there, I noticed a name etched in iron, Evansville, Indiana. That's just across the river from where I took my first breath. And here I am, years later, in eastern Kentucky, helping a man I didn't even know a few months ago move his family history, one rusty relic at a time. It's strange how the past and present collide, isn't it? It's funny. One name on old steel, one new friend. And now I'm heading home with a story I never saw coming.